Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create a LinkedIn Business Manager. So first you go to business.linkedin.com URL, and then you can click on the create new business manager, and it will go to a new link. So you put your business manager name. You can add a image for your business manager. So you can see there is a upload option, so you can upload, and then you need to select a mail id, associated mail id that you will use. For me, I will use this simple mail id, and you have two options. You want to manage your own business, or you can manage it for other businesses. So you can select and then put it create. Once you uh, click on the create, LinkedIn will send a confirmation link in your Gmail ID. So log into your Gmail ID, and you will find a invitation sent. So you need to accept the invitation. So click on the accept invitation. It will go to a new link, and LinkedIn profile will show you that your profile is already accepted. So agree and confirm. Now open your business manager. So now we are on the LinkedIn Business Manager, but you see in the LinkedIn Business Manager homepage, we don't have added any pages or ads account. That's why uh, in the Business Manager you can see there is three options. So under the Business Manager, the home page still don't have anything since we just created it. And in the pages option, if you click, and then you can add all of your existing pages. So you need to click on the add pages, or you can request access also from other admins. So add pages, I will click on the add pages, then I will find my pages that I manage for the businesses. So you can see once I found my pages, and then I there is a two option here. Then you need to put uh, um, check check mark, the one that is more prominent. So I put both two, and then click on the add pages. So you can see the page is already added under my LinkedIn Business Manager, and same like I will do for Google Ad account. So you can click on the Ad account, and you can see there is no ad account. So we will claim a new ad account and add it under this business manager. So I will click on the claim ownership. So you can put all of the ad account that need to add under this newly created business manager. So you will find all of your ads account and its number under campaign manager. From here, I need to copy the ad account number and paste it here, and keep a gap between two account, two IDs, so that it can be clearly added. So first ad account I am adding. And I will put the second ad account ID that I have created previously, my own ad account, and let's copy it and put it here, then add the account. Now click on the add, and you can see both ad account is already added under this business manager. uh, we can also give access to people under this people category. You can see I am only admin, but on the right side top, invite people. From there you can add people in here under your business manager. Also you can add partners there. So I hope you understand how to create LinkedIn business manager and add pages or partners or people under this. So right now, thank you.